San Antonio's knife ordinance will be cut come September 1st. That's because a new state law is going into effect.
It forbids municipalities and counties from imposing their own knife laws in most cases. That means certain knives that had been outlawed in San Antonio will now be allowed. In our KSAT People Poll today, we want to know if you think that will make the city less safe. And while you're voting, and maybe to help you decide, Garrett Berger takes a look at which knives will be permitted in San Antonio.
Since 1980 in San Antonio, if your knife could lock open, it was illegal to carry. Since 2013, there have been 217 reported violations. The city ordinance does allow exceptions, like if you're a cop or military member on the job, if you're traveling or using the knife for work. But come September, the exceptions will be moot. If state law allows a knife, the city will have to as well.
Everybody wants something convenient to carry.
Henry Slottick sells knives. He says the advantage of the locking blade is security. The blade won't fold up on your fingers.
This is like a vice grip in here. This blade is solid.
It's also the majority of what they sell at the store, he says. He thinks city residents will like the peace of mind.
A lot of people that are joggers are afraid to carry the knives because they're afraid the law might take it from them, and if they're breaking the law, but they still want to have protection.
State law permits many different knives, locking folders like buck knives, butterfly knives, and automatics, also known as switchblades.
State law still restricts certain types of knives, like double-edged blades, swords, or any blade more than 5.5 inches long. The only time you're allowed to carry those is if you're on your own premises or in your car. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.
I had no idea there's so many variations of knives.
I didn't either. So it's an interesting, we've kind of sorted through what is and isn't legal. And right now we want to know kind of how you guys voted. Do you think the state's new knife law will make San Antonio less safe? 76% of you say no, 24% say yes. We want to thank everybody who voted.